You've probably heard AI-powered project management 100 times this year. So have we. So we built something different. Welcome to LiteFlows, the intelligent platform for project delivery. The tool that doesn't just track your work, it actively helps you run it. 6 pillars hold this platform up, and each one is built differently from what you've seen before. Look, everyone talks about AI. But here, AI doesn't sit in a sidebar waiting for you to ask it questions. It reads your project all the time, and it surfaces what matters before you ask. Automation doesn't just send notifications. It runs entire workflows for you. Collaboration doesn't mean another chat window. Your conversation's live exactly where the work lives. Analytics aren't a separate dashboard. They're built into every screen. Security isn't a checkbox. It's the foundation. And every project bends to your operating model, not the other way around. Let's open it up. This is where leadership sees the whole story. Not a list of project names. A snapshot of where every project actually stands today. Completion bars pulled from real task data. Risk scores calculated from overdue work, unassigned tasks, and team load. And here's the part most platforms get wrong. That same number follows the project everywhere it appears, so no two screens ever tell a different story. And every person on the team gets their own version of that story. The projects they own. The work that's due, the risks they need to handle today. They sign in, and their day is already laid out for them. No status meeting, no spreadsheet, no chasing. This is the part that surprises people the first time they see it. Before anyone's at their desk, the AI has already read every ticket, every comment, every time log on the project. And it's written a briefing, addressed to the project manager by name, that tells them exactly what to focus on today, what to escalate, who's overallocated, which decisions need closing this week. The first time you read one, you assume someone on your team wrote it. They didn't. Now, let's stand one up together. New project. Give it a name. A unique project ID. Tell us what it's for. Pick the team, the owner, the project manager. Approve the hours. Set a start and finish date. Hit create. Total time, idea to live project under a minute. And here we are. The project's live. The board is empty. Now the question is how to fill it. We've designed this for the way teams actually work, so you have several paths from here. Let me show you the 2 most powerful. Path 1. Bulk import. You'll find the button right here on the board. Click it, and we hand you a ready-made Excel template. Now here's the modern twist. Don't fill it in yourself. Hand it to whatever AI assistant your team already uses. ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini. Give it your project brief. Let it generate the milestones, the tasks, the assignees, the priorities. Bring the file back, drop it here, and every single row gets validated before anything touches your database. Path 2. The planner. When you're starting a project and your head is full of half-formed ideas, the last thing you need is a structured form. You need a whiteboard. To get there, you just click the Planner tab right on the project. Add sticky notes. Drag them around. Connect them. Group them. Sleep on it. Come back tomorrow with fresh eyes. And when the shape of the project is finally clear, the ideas that survive convert directly into tasks on your project board. From back of the napkin to backlog. Without leaving the workspace. Every project needs a single source of truth for its decisions, its runbooks, its onboarding. That's the wiki. It lives right inside the project, one click away. But here's what makes this wiki different. You don't just publish whatever you wrote. You assign reviewers. They get notified. They read it, they leave public comments the whole team sees, or they keep private notes that only they can see. Nothing publishes until the reviewers have signed off. So everything in your wiki has been vouched for, not just typed. Back on the board. Each task carries an assignee, an estimate, a due date, and multiple tags, because real work crosses categories. Cutover. Phase 3. Critical. Filter on any of them. Group on any of them. Roll them up however your team thinks. And the rule most platforms skip, work cannot leave the backlog until it has a real owner, a real estimate, and a real deadline. So nothing ever slips through unnoticed. Now the AI tools. The health score answers one question. Will this project ship on time? And it shows you exactly why it scored what it scored. Overdue work. Unassigned tasks. Workload concentration. Every single penalty called out by name. No black box. Just math you can audit. The team report rebalances workload by name. Who's stretched? Who has bandwidth? And it's all forward-looking, not historical. So you can act before the slip happens, not after. And one more thing that matters when you're scaling a team: seat flexibility. When someone leaves, you don't lose the seat. You reassign it to the next person who joins. You only ever pay for the seats you actually use. We live in a fast-paced world. One deadline missed because a risk was hidden. One team member working in a silo while the rest of the team races. One project lost to a competitor because someone missed something small. That's all it takes. LiteFlows catches those signals before they cost you the project. AI surfaces risk, predicts delays, rebalances your team before anything slips. Create projects in seconds. Run them with confidence. Start your free 90-day trial at liteflows.com. No credit card needed. Stop losing projects to mistakes you never even saw.